Science teachers from 4 states came to New Jersey last week to learn how disease is spread and how new medicines are developed. The program, called Research, is sponsored by the pharmaceutical industry and is meant to be taught to high school students. NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler has the story.
What is a disease? If you wanted to define it, what would you say?
That's one of the first questions posed to science teachers at the annual Research Summer Institute at Montgomery High School in Somerset County. They're learning the curriculum for an innovative national program called Research that educates high school teachers about the spread of disease and the complexity of developing new medicines.
It doesn't just affect you, it affects me, my kids, and everyone else.
The program, which began in New Jersey 3 years ago, is supported by the pharmaceutical industry and the National Science Resources Center in Washington. The idea is to hook the teachers so they'll take this 11-lesson program back to their classrooms where they'll teach and potentially interest students in pursuing pharmaceutical careers.
We want to interest our students here early before they get into college and choose majors so that they come back here to New Jersey so that they're able to possibly work on the next cure.
These are the kids who are going to be in our workplaces, running our research. They're going to earn a living, and science today is really such a core element of the way we live.
There are relevant lessons to be learned for students who've taken this course.
As a future doctor, I think that this program kind of reassures me about how safe pharmaceuticals really are, because all the paperwork and all the research that pharmaceutical companies have to go through. So I really know what I'm prescribing my patients when I go into my practice.
The program is now being taught in more than 40 school districts in New Jersey and beyond. Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, Montgomery Township.